I don't have much time. You need to listen. They're still following me. I can't shake them. Meet me at the north wall. Gods, I did not sleep at all last night. This city never truly rests, does it? Sleeping on stone is not as romantic as it sounds. My back is killing me. Welcome back to Rome, I guess. The joys of living in Rome. I have to get out of here. Watch out for the fish! The fish! Made it! Look at where we are. This is incredible. These walls hold so much history. You can almost feel it. Welcome to my ancient Roman vlog. This wall has so many stories. I could just walk here forever. See you next time. He's across the sea, in Apollonia, waiting for the post. He has no idea. So, I finally made it to the famous Roman latrines. It is definitely an experience in here. I will catch up with you all later. I don't think this is a reenactment. This place is entirely too real. I need to find a way out. I have to be careful. Rome is full of eyes and ears. Meet me at the Forum before sunset. What are you looking at?
The birds have not settled since dawn.
Guys, I know who this is. This is SPURINNA. He reads the signs. A month ago, he told Caesar, no later than the Ides of March, which is today. Rome is laughing at him. Rude. Deeply rude. It tastes like oatmeal that is genuinely trying its best. 4 out of 10. Oh, the bread. The bread is incredible. This is garum, fish sauce. They leave fish guts in the sun. For weeks. I'm so angry that it's good. I'm so angry that it's good.
table de scratch.
Everyone gets this wrong. Rome doesn't hate Caesar. Rome adores Caesar. It's about 60 men who don't. Everyone thinks she's in Egypt right now. She is not. She's here. Today. And what do you make of our Rome? I told her the truth. I said it smells terrible and the bread is incredible. She flees Rome in 3 weeks, and she's sitting right there, winning. You will not believe what I just heard in the atrium. They say that Livia is plotting against the consul himself. Meanwhile, this man is having the best sales day of his life. Rome. Honestly.
You can get closer than I can. Put it in his hand. Make him read it.
He can't get close enough. So he's asked me to do it. Guys, I'm doing it. I can't believe it's real. The seal is still intact. If they find this, it will change everything. Get out of my way! I have it! I have it! Caesar! Don't go in! They're waiting for you! Don't go in there! Caesar! Read this! Caesar! Beware! Caesar! Read this scroll! I screamed a warning at him, and it sounded exactly like applause. Caesar! Read this!
The Ides of March have come. Yes, but they have not gone.
I can't follow, so I'm just going to wait here, with everyone else. Welcome to the Grand Theater. They are closing the doors. We are ready to begin. busiest square on there is nobody here. The seal is still on it. For this moment for such a very long time. Rome is always so much more beautiful when it is completely empty. Don't you think it's just so peaceful? They didn't stop it. They started it. The Republic dies today. SPURINNA was right and they laughed. Calpurnia begged him. Artemidorus wrote every name down. So I'm carrying this. For them. 3 warnings. All ignored. Which one hurts the most?
History kept the names of the 60 men who did this. Every single one. It lost the 3 who tried to stop them.